little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is water. So in this chapter we will study about water. As you all know that water is our precious resource and we should not waste it. आपको इसका judicious use करना है, right? And as you all know that we cannot live without water. It is the basic requirement of all living beings. Besides drinking, there are many other uses of water. Let's see the different uses of water. Not only human beings, but animals and plants also need water and cannot survive without it. So all animals need water to drink, bath and clean themselves. So plants need water for their growth and make food. Plants get water from the soil throughout their roots. They also get water from rains by irrigation. Right? What are the sources of water? Have you ever wondered from where to get water? There are many man-made and natural sources of water, and more than 2/3 of the surface is covered with water and rest is land. The water is present on the earth in streams, lakes, ponds, seas and ocean. And oceans and seas are very huge and deep. ठीक है, बहुत huge है, deep है. And man has also stored and located water to fulfill their needs. Some of the man-made source of water are tanks, wells, canals, taps. They are mainly used for the water consumption by men. So अगर हम बात करें villages and other areas where rain are not very frequent, so these source of water meet the requirement of the area. Some lakes and ponds are also man-made. Potable water की बात करते हैं. So water from ponds and river is generally dirty. So it's not safe for drinking. Safe भी नहीं है. So this water has germs and we can get disease like jaundice, cholera and dysentery by drinking dirty water. So how to clean the dirty water? There are many ways to clean. आप boil कर सकते हो. आप different methods of purification का भी use करके water को clean कर सकते हो. और जितने भी germs हैं उसमें उसको destroy कर सकते हो. So boiled water should be filtered and collected in a pot. This water is best for drinking. Now if we talk about forms of water, we have 3 forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. 3 है, solid है, liquid है. वाटर का कोई टेस्ट नहीं होता, कोई कलर नहीं होता, ना ही कोई उसमें ऑर्डर होती, मतलब ना कोई स्मेल होती. नेक्स्ट इज वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड. देखो आइस जो है वो आपका सॉलिड फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर है. आप क्या करें, टेक 2 to 3 आइस क्यूब्स एंड टच देम. They are hard and cold. They do not change their shape. They transfer from one vessel to another. ये एक वेसल से दूसरे वेसल में आप ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. वाटर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड. पानी के फॉर्म में होता है. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे होम्स में हम पानी पीते हैं, लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है. उसकी कोई शेप नहीं होती, वो शेप ले लेता है वेसल में जिसमें आप रखोगे. आप बकेट में रखोगे, वो बकेट की शेप लेगा. ग्लास टम्बलर में रखोगे, ग्लास टम्बलर की शेप लेगा. राइट. सो वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस. व्हेन वाटर इज हीटेड इट स्टार्ट्स बॉइलिंग एंड चेंज इनटू वाटर वेपर. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, स्टीम कहते हैं. वाटर वेपर और स्टीम is the gaseous form of water and gas has no shape of its own. और गैस की अपनी कोई शेप नहीं होती. Now freezing, melting, evaporation and condensation. So fill in the ice tray with water, keep it in the freezer or a fridge. मतलब रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखो. After some time what will happen, the water will change into ice. So the process of conversion of water, वो प्रोसेस जिसमें वाटर किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, आइस में, उसको क्या बोला जाता है, फ्रीजिंग. नाउ टेक अ आइस ट्रे आउट ऑफ द फ्रीजर एंड कीप इट इन द ओपन. द वार्म एटमॉस्फेयर चेंजेस द सॉलिड आइस क्यूब्स इनटू वाटर. और ये जो प्रोसेस होता है इसको क्या कहा जाता है. So now boil this water in a container. The water changes into water vapor. This process of conversion of water into water vapor. जब हम वाटर को वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इसको क्या कहते हैं, vaporization. Now water cycle. When the sun shines, its heat water in river, lakes, ponds and seas. It changes water into water vapor. Water vapor rise up करता है air को and the water vapor gets cooled and turned into tiny drops of water. And what they form? They form clouds. So in the clouds, these tiny drops join up to form large drops. These large drops become heavy. So they fall on the earth as rain. The rainwater flows back into ponds. वो वापस से ponds में, rivers में, lakes और seas में जाता है. And the water gets heated again by the sun and goes up with the air to form cloud. इस process को क्या बोला जाता है, water cycle. The water cycle goes on and on in nature. And what are its property? Like water is a colorless, orderless and tasteless. आप क्या करो, आप थोड़ा सा क्लीन पानी लो ग्लास में, उसके बाद उस पानी को देखो, कैन यू टेल इट्स कलर? नो, बिकॉज द वाटर हैज नो कलर. नाउ स्मेल इट, कैन यू टेल इट स्मेल? नो, बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्मेल. नाउ टेस्ट इट, आप उसको टेस्ट करोगे तो कैन यू टेल इट्स टेस्ट? नो, व्हाई? बिकॉज वाटर डज नॉट हैव टेस्ट, उसमें कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं होता है। वी कैन से दैट वाटर इज कलरलेस, ऑर्डरलेस एंड टेस्टलेस लिक्विड। प्रॉपर्टी की बात करें, दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी कि वाटर की कोई शेप नहीं होती, वो क्या करता है, वेसल की शेप ले लेता है। Take some vessel of different shapes and size, fill them with water. You will find that water takes shape of the pot, जिसमें भी आप उसको रखोगे. So that water has no shape of its own. वो किसकी शेप ले लेता है, वेसल की. देखो आप ग्लास में रखो ग्लास, टब में रखोगे टब, बकेट में रखोगे बकेट, जग में रखोगे जग की शेप ले ले. So this was all in this chapter. Now we will do the exercise. Now first is tick the correct option. Water is the basic requirement of all. Water is the basic requirement of all living beings, non-living, both A and B, and none of these living. Tanks, wells, canals, dams are man-made sources of किसके हैं, water के. We can clean the water impurities by boiling, freezing, both A and B, and none of these. Only boiling. More than 2/3 of the surface is covered with water. Solid form of water is ice, right? Solid form होता है ice. Now next is fill in the blanks. Plants need water for their growth and to make what? Plants need water for their growth and to make what? Food. Next is dash and dash are very huge and deep sources of water. Water from dash and dash are generally dirty. River and ocean. Water exists in dash form, water exists in 3 form. Dash goes on in nature. Water. Now write T for true and F for false statement. We have tanks, wells, canals and dams. These are natural sources of water. False. ये man-made sources है. Natural sources rain है, right? River है. Dirty water is not safe for drinking. It's true. The water we use in our homes is in liquid form. It's true. Water has form of its own. It's true. Water vapor of steam is a gaseous form of water. It's true. Next is match the following. First is solid. That is ice. Liquid, that is water. Gas, that is steam. And seas and ocean, natural sources, wells and canals, man-made water source. क्योंकि इन्हें किसने बनाया है? Man. Now answer the following question. How is water important for human beings and plants? Right? कैसे water important है human beings और plants के लिए? Because it helps the plants to make their food, and we all human beings, we cannot live without water. So how would we clean dirty water? By boiling it or by filtering it. Name 5 natural water sources: rain, river, oceans, seas, lakes. What is evaporation? Then when water changes what? From liquid to gas is known as evaporation. What is water cycle? Right? Water cycle क्या होती है? बारिश पड़ी, ठीक है, पानी हीट हुआ, वापस गया, क्लाउड्स फॉर्म करे, क्लाउड्स हैवी हो गए, दोबारा से बारिश आ गई. ये क्या होती है? आपकी वाटर साइकिल होती है. राइट, यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. नाउ द चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.